ponytail so I can put your crazy hair in a ponytail. So people don't think I just let you run around ratchet. Go put t-shirts on if you're going to be running around in the background of this. I'm in the video. What happened to the green step stool? Oh, your green step stool's downstairs.
Do you want me to pause it?
No, I'll edit it out.
I can make this wear this like I don't do.
Okay, action. Be quiet. Hey, friends. Nope. No. How do we start it? Hi. No.
Hi.
Bad.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Hey friends. I don't know.
Hello.
Where's your shirt? Why do you not have clothes on?
Hey guys, welcome back to.
Don't put a t-shirt on.
Yes, that's what we're missing. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys,
guys.
welcome back to another video.
Yeah.
Our mom's channel. Today
Mom's
we
channel.
are gonna be doing our dinner.
Yeah. You. Boy.
Can you get off the camera, please?
Okay, restart.
Why did you do that?
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is
Then go
about
put that
our
on the
dinner.
table.
It's ham.
Hey.
Right, Mom?
Wait, no, everybody stop talking. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tara, your Frugal Active Mama, and we are bringing you this video today to talk about, restart.
Oh my god.
What are we doing? What are we talking about?
Our
We are doing a video.
of dinner.
No.
Ham.
But it's about being able to use one thing for multiple dinners. We are. Stop jumping. Stop jumping. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tara, your Frugal Active Mama, and we are coming to you today. Oh my god, Lorelai.
Bite me.
And ready, we have our baked ham. You can, but don't be weird and chewing it when it's done. And ready, we have our. Everybody, open your mouth and smile all big for the camera. That's gonna be our thumbnail. Hey friends, I'm Tara, your Frugal Active Mama. We are coming to you today with an awesome frugal meal tips video. This is one of my favorite ways to save money on dinners for our large family of 7. We have a 10-pound ham here that we are going to use for not 1, not 2, but 3 dinners this week, and maybe even a breakfast as well. I might throw in that bonus one for you. So, first off, this is the sorry, you okay?
Yeah.
This is the first meal with it. Now my parents actually bought us this ham. It was on sale for 49 cents a pound, which is amazing. So this entire ham was under $5, and we're going to be able to get at least 3, I think 4 meals out of it, because we're going to be able to use a little bit in a breakfast for like an egg scramble. So first off, dinner number 1 is just your normal typical baked ham dinner. We're going to have some baked ham with some potatoes and a veggie. I think we have either zucchini or Brussels sprouts in the fridge to choose from. So we will figure it out. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. You're done.
And in true Tara fashion, I forgot to pull the ham out yesterday to thaw, so it is still a little frozen on the center. That's okay. It's been thawing all day, and we are just going to cook it really super low and slow in the oven so it gets cooked all the way through before dinner. We have a long time before dinner. I am just going to do a pretty basic glaze for it today. That way, when we use it in the other meals later this week, the flavor is not too overpowering. So let's get on to mixing the glaze up. Okay, so for this glaze today, we are using just 2 simple ingredients, brown sugar and mustard. And when it comes to cooking things like this, I don't measure much. I just kind of go based off of looks and flavor. Okay, so there you have it. That was it. All you do for this basic ham. Now we're going to cover it with some foil and pop it in the oven.
Collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and
Okay, so in the Instant Pot, I threw a few russet potatoes, just a couple handfuls of them. And then I'm going to put in 2 cups of water. I usually just do 1, but then I usually end up adding water when I go to smash them. So I'm just going to do 2 now and see if that helps. And we are going to set it for manual on 7 minutes. Okay, so with the Brussels sprouts, all I did was quarter them, throw in some avocado oil because that's what was on the top of my shelf and easiest to grab, and then some salt and pepper. Put them in the air fryer, and we are gonna do the bacon setting. They actually turned out perfect after just that first round, so I do not need to put them in for a second go around, I don't think. And I had gotten 2 bags out, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna make the other one. Really, I'm the only one who loves Brussels sprouts. Mashed potatoes are done cooking. I'm getting ready to actually mash them into mashed potatoes now. So first we gotta season them with some salt. Pepper. I like to throw in a little bit of this ranch seasoning, or you could just do garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, dill. That's basically what ranch seasoning is, but I already have it all made up together, so I'm just going to use this. Also, I love this brand because it's always super low in sodium. Sometimes some of their flavorings don't have any salt at all, so it's a really good one to look into. Okay, then to make it a nice creamy consistency, I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. And a little bit of heavy whipping cream. That's it, all done. Okay, dinner is done and ready. We have our baked ham, mashed potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Okay, we are back with recipe 2, dinner number 2 of that big, beautiful 10-pound ham that we had. So I am getting everything ready to go tonight to put on the slow cooker for tomorrow because I'll be substitute teaching tomorrow, so I'm not going to have time to do it in the morning. And if I try to fool myself that I will do it in the morning before I leave, it will be an epic fail and it won't happen, and then we would probably end up eating fast food or something. So not in the budget. Don't mind the background noises. Clint is doing the dishes for me, and you know, he likes to add in sound effects every now and then. So what I have here is I have some frozen hash browns. I have a pound of shredded cheese, some ranch seasoning, garlic, onion, homemade chicken broth, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom soups, and cream cheese. Okay, so what you're gonna do, I like to do a mixture of the diced hash browns. When I'm using frozen potatoes for this, I like to use a mixture of the diced and shredded. I add in all the diced ham and onion that I have here, which is half of a giant onion. I'm on the last leg of my garlic here, so I'm just gonna dump all of this into it. And in goes the cream of mushroom, cream of chicken. We're gonna sprinkle some ranch seasoning on it because we put ranch in everything around here basically. If I'm using a pre-made ranch, I really like this one from Flavor God because it doesn't have any salt. Well, it doesn't have very much salt. It's very low on sodium, very clean ingredients. Otherwise, I just make my own homemade ranch seasoning. Okay, now I'm going to start with 1 can of chicken broth. I'm going to stir everything around and see how liquidy it is. But I'm thinking we're gonna need both hands. Okay, then I'm gonna do half of the shredded cheese, and I have 1 small brick, so half a pound of Colby Jack, and then half a pound of sharp, it's either sharp cheddar or mild cheddar, I don't remember now. So I'm going to do, it's actually a little more than half, and then I save this for topping tomorrow, topping the soups. Up 1 brick of cream cheese, mix that in, and then I am done for tonight. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna clean up my mess, throw the lid on this, put it in the refrigerator, call it a night. Okay, today we are bringing you recipe number 3 with our ham. It was supposed to be recipe number 4. We were going to use little bits and chunks of the ham on our homemade pizza on Friday, but several of the kids ended up spending the night with my parents on Friday, so we didn't end up doing homemade pizza. Yeah, you slept all the way through the night. You're such a big girl. So we didn't end up doing homemade pizza. We had a couple frozen pizzas in the freezer, and we just kind of ate that and ate some leftovers, and we were fine since it was just basically.
I'm not helping you.
Okay. So that would have been recipe number 3, and this would have been recipe number 4. What I'm going to end up doing is whatever ham is left over from this, I'm going to dice up. I'm going to throw into a baggie and put it in the freezer, and I'm going to use that next Friday for pizza night. So it's still going to end up giving us 4 meals. So today we're making what I call smothered hash browns. It's hash browns or potatoes, whatever meat you want to add to it, cheese, onions, and then some scrambled eggs, all kind of mixed together into a big bowl, and then we top it with some cheese to get all melty and gooey and delicious. It's super easy. It's a great breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, any kind of meal. We love to have this as like a big brunch on the weekends, and then it kind of ties us over for lunch, and then we usually have an early dinner and then kind of snack in the evening. So that's probably the plan for today, and let's get started. Okay, so the way that we dish these up is I usually cook the eggs separately because I cook enough of this that we can have leftovers. So really this is for 2 meals itself. Usually I like mine with a runny egg on top because I think that's delicious. But we're just doing scrambled eggs today, and then maybe throughout the week for breakfast for me, I can have some of this left over and put a runny egg on top. So I cook the eggs separate. And if you cover this, the heat will melt the cheese onto it. Okay, so that's it. Yummy, cheesy, delicious goodness for brunch today because it's already 10 o'clock. So, that makes officially meal number 3 for us with the leftover that I'm going to chop up right here, throw in the freezer, and use that to top our pizza with next week. That's meal number 4. And then there is enough of this that this should feed us for breakfast for most of the week. So, I don't know, meal number 5, 6, 7. Definitely it could feed me for breakfast for the rest of the week and then some. So probably me and Lorelai and Kendricks will eat off of this throughout the week. I don't know. The boys might too. Who knows? We'll see. but it's going to be a lot of food. And this is easy. Now it's already done. All I'll have to do in the morning is warm it up, cook up an egg or two, 3 for the 3 big boys, and their breakfast will be done in the morning. So that's awesome. I'm super excited. I'm so happy that my parents brought us that 10-pound ham. It was super cheap for them. Guys, 4, 5, 6 meals plus on one $5 ham for a family of 7. Now granted, my kids are still small. You know, when they're older, they'll eat more and it might not stretch as far as what it stretches for us right now, but still, buy those meat deals when you find them, throw them in the freezer, use them for, you know, save them for later use, because it saves you so much money in the long run. So that will conclude this video on how $5 ham can feed us multiple times. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed me doing a video like this that's dedicated to a specific subject versus the just daily living and vlogging and everything like that, let me know. Drop a comment below if this helped you, if this gave you some ideas. Let me know. Give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we'll be sharing more videos like this and our daily vlogs. It's not really daily anymore because I'm a slacker, but kind of daily vlogs. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.